Let's talk about Domino paint. Domino Smart. They are 400 milliliters, low pressure, matte finish. And they're coming with a pink fat cap, so let's try them out. Okay, next try Stylus L Green und Mser Violett. And okay, I said we don't doing dots and lines, but this is fresh Gros and this is fresh Montana Schwarz. Let's try the next color. Is Turuoise, or in German Türkis. Yeah, entdeckt. Covers really nicely. Didn't expect it on fresh chrome, but some good acrylic spray paint. Now try purple haze. Nice. All in all, nice. Oh, and if you guys wonder why this is white, this is black, I think this is a new design. So I ordered just a 6-pack of random colors, so I'm limited with colors. But I think when I ordered them, they had 38 colors in stock. Let's do a throwy with Mser Violett and try out the banana cat on Parrot, the green one. Ja, das ist scheiße. Should have done it with a pet cap. Hey, Spidey! Okay, Spidey's gone.
I have no idea why I painted this throwy. Don't ask me. For me, a throwy is something quick with no perfect fill-in. So this makes no sense, but yes, you can do throwies with it.
Okay, this is the plan for the piece. Stylus L Green and Turquoise for the fill-in, and the Violet for blocks, purple haze for the outlines. Then we go with Parrot Green for some background and trace red for the second outline. Let's do it. These dominoes are wired! So you better do what they say.
My thoughts on Domino Smart cans? Definitely a good can. I like the soft valve and the colors I used had a perfect covering. At the moment I think they have around 50 colors, which is enough for your daily graph, because no one needs 5 shades of one color which look all the same on the wall, except you are doing realism stuff or something like that. Domino Smart, so thumbs up from me for these cans.